Welcome to my channel, and if you're watching this video, you are here because you are trying to monetize your YouTube channel, but it is getting rejected due to reused content. So here's the thing. I myself started a YouTube channel, and once I reached around 3,000 hours and 1,000 subscriber, I applied for monetization and got rejected. But then I found out why I got rejected. If you have a YouTube channel but you're using reused content, there is a simple way around it. Like just one of my, let me show you. This is my channel summary for the last 365 days. As you can see, I started around August, and then from there on you can see the spikes in hours and all. I'm at 3,800 hours, just short of 4,000 hours, and you can see the top content is just one video with 28,000 views. It accounts for around 2,500 watch hours alone. So what I do is I unlist all my other videos that are not so important, just keep these one or two videos that are getting the most views, and I post simple content with me in the video to show the algorithm that I'm making personalized videos, not using reused content, and then I apply for monetization. So subscribe to this channel and stay tuned about what happened with my reapplication. Did I get monetized or not after 4,000 hours?